Welcome to Easy Crochet. Today we're going to learn how to make a magic circle in crochet, which will change the way you work in the round. We're going to begin by crossing the yarn from the skein, the working yarn, over the tail end of the yarn to create a circle. Next, you'll insert the crochet hook into the circle, as shown. You should now see the loop that's formed on the hook and the circle that you will work into. Next, you will chain 1. This step is where you'll start making a single crochet. So insert the hook into the circle under both strands of yarn and single crochet. Keep doing this for as many single crochets as you need into the magic circle. When you get to your desired amount of single crochets, you will tighten by pulling that end to form a circle. Next, you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet right here. You have now formed a magic circle in crochet. It's that easy. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or email me and I'd be happy to help.